Why must it be hard-headed? I didn't choose to be like this. I guess he was misunderstood. Your society don't accept me.
Tell me to rip
I still have to survive. I've been here for centuries.
Tell me to rip limbs off.
So cannibalistic. You must have missed it.
Tell me to rip limbs off.
Yes, I love raw meat. My chainsaw has to eat.
Tell me to rip limbs off.
Human flesh.
Tell me to rip limbs off.
Chainsaw.
Mr. Chainsaw.
Happy Halloween.
Mr. Chainsaw.
I am Mr. Chainsaw, get my shit revved up and then I carve your limbs off. Happy Halloween, this is only the beginning. For ripping bitches up and leaving body parts flinging. Hanging in the shadows, waiting for the next deadbeat to hang from my chainsaw because they know they dead me. Speaking of my chainsaw, up and rip your brains off. Body flesh ripping, bones splitting, it's a bloody mess. Chainsaw, eat your body like it's at a food fest. Carve a little something off the waist and then off the chest. Rest. My chainsaw hit your stomach, bitch, and make your body slim. My chainsaw hit your arms, yeah, and make it thin. My chainsaw hit your leg, bitch, and make it limp. Cause my chainsaw hit your body up and make it twins.
I speak to my chainsaw. It tell me to rip limbs off.
Mr. Chainsaw.
I speak to my chainsaw. It tell me to rip limbs off.
Mr. Chainsaw.
I speak to my chainsaw.
Atdtv.
It tell me to rip limbs off.
I had a bad day, going into a bad night, so I grabbed my chainsaw and started cutting on sight. And I'ma cut all night, cutting till I get my human slaughterhouse. I take a daughter out. Operation Dissect, dang, cut off arm, legs, and hands, fill them in the canister. My chainsaw so sinister, American Psycho into her. With a lunatic drilling her, running down the street and I follow her. Kill her, cut him up, I don't give a fuck. Represent the buck, beat your creature back. Yeah, but a new Chevy van, but they